Hi, everybody. Welcome to Note-Taking Study Skills, Period 2. Unfortunately, I cannot be here on Friday, so you will have an asynchronous lesson. Asynchronous lesson means that you will not log on to our live session via Google Meet. You will be doing all of our work in our allotted time slots, 8:30 to 9:45 on Friday, independently by yourself. So I'm going to walk you through some of the assignments that are assigned. Luckily, it is pretty easy because we are finishing up our documentary. However, I want us to take a few minutes to kind of discuss some things that we have been talking about. Okay, so we have negative perceptions of ourselves. I'm just going to jump right in. Negative perceptions, and let me move some of this stuff so I can read my notes. But we talked about on Wednesday how some of us struggle in different skill areas. Me, as an adult, I still continue to struggle with different areas, but then we all have our areas that we are really strong at. So how do some of these perceptions in our mind affect our daily life and our academic life? And have you ever thought about how does these affect you in school? So a negative mind will never give you a positive life. I know we all get those free passes to be negative for a day and have a bad day. That's not what I'm saying. I just think when we kind of look at this picture and start to say daily to ourselves, I can't do this. I'm not worthy. I must be perfect. I must not make a mistake. Nobody loves me. I'm not good enough, is when we start to get down bad habits. And that's what we kind of talked about. So we are watching the documentary of Being You. So what you are going to do for today is you are going to finish up our documentary. We watched until the 25-minute mark on Wednesday. And so now you are going to open it up, and it is linked right here, Being You documentary. You just click on that, Being You, and it takes you to the website Road Trip Nation, Being You. And you can click onto the 25-minute mark and begin watching. And remember, we're watching for our viewing guide. So,
this election
here we go.
season, stay informed with news and analysis you can trust.
So you will be watching the 25-minute mark until you are completed with the video. Okay? And so the Being You viewing guide is also on Google Classroom, and I will walk you how to get there right now. So if you are on week 7, you're going to click on week 7, and it is the Being You viewing guide. You're going to open that up. Please do not open it up on here because it will ask you to request access. You need to open it through Classroom, the Being You viewing guide, okay, for week 7 right here. So it takes us to our Being You viewing guide. We should have gotten to questions 1, 2, 3, and 4 on Wednesday, and so your goal is to fill in the rest of these on Friday as you are watching the Being You documentary. When you have completed the Being You documentary, that should take you about 25 to 30 minutes with the viewing guide. You are then going to just complete our Roses and Thorns, and that will end our week. So all you have is the Being You documentary, filling in the viewing guide, and ending class with Roses and Thorns. And then, as always, take that last little bit of time, if you have time left over, to work on any missing work, any studying for any tests or quizzes or homework that you have assigned this week. Other than that, have a great day. If you need anything, you can send me an email. I will try to be available during the time. Thank you. And I look forward to seeing your viewing guides and next time we see each other.